Good morning, YouTube. We are back at it again with a brand new video for you guys. If you're new here, me and my husband do share all the Disney content.
And today is a non-park day for us, so we decided to take you guys on the Monorail Tour. So the monorail, if you guys don't know, stopped by 3 different Disney resorts. So we're gonna be going to the Grand Floridian, the Polynesian, and the Contemporary. So if you're bored in a day that you don't have a park and you've already been to Disney Springs, hop in the monorail and just go around the hotels. So we're gonna show you guys what it looks like to be in the Monorail Tour.
So cool.
Alright, so let's go take a look at this beautiful hotel as the monorail's leaving right now. So take a look at that. It's a pretty awesome view. Alright, so we found a little trivia by the shop. Can you guys guess all of them? We're gonna go one by one. And so, the first one, who's Peter Pan's fairy friend? We got here. Who is she? Tinkerbell. Alright. Who's Elsa's sister? Anna. Who's Aladdin's monkey friend? Abu. What does Mulan call herself while she's a soldier? Ping. Name her Fat Five. So we got Mickey, we got Goofy, Donald, Daisy, Minnie. And what's the name of Pocahontas' best friend here? Nakoma, I think. I googled that one. I didn't know that one.
At least you're honest. We have arrived to our second stop on the Monorail Tour. It is the Polynesian. Check it out. Look at how beautiful. They have the fire, the water, the greenery. It is a beautiful day, clear skies. I cannot wait to show you guys a little bit of the inside.
This is one of our absolute favorite Disney resorts just because of the theme. Like, look at this, guys. Like, you walk in here and you're a whole different world. The food is amazing here. We have a vlog. We go over the food in this hotel, but look at this amazing view of this hotel. It just looks amazing.
Oh my God! I want this in my house. Oh my God. Wait, there's already a double bed in here.
So 12, this sleeps up to 12.
This sleeps 8. So these are 2 bedrooms, but they rent for like a 3-bedroom. But you have the bed here and the pull down.
Oh my God, they have a whole closet. Wow. Look at the closet. They have it like structure.
This will be
The master. Oh my God.
This is a master bed.
Look at, no, this one, oh, this one right here. Closet. Ooh, robes. I was hoping we had robes in the Riviera, but we didn't. Oh my God.
view
now
here
you
is
can see the
amazing.
ferries coming in, so you'll get an idea of how good the soundproofing is too.
Oh, that's true. Oh my God.
That's right. I hear the book will open the door.
That's true. Wait, I'm gonna go this. Look at that tub. See, this is why I want to stay at this one too. I had to stop for a quick little refuel.
Yes, these nachos in the Polynesian are glorious.
They smell really good. We have arrived to the Grand Floridian. We are going to show you guys the third stop of the Monorail Tour. I hope you guys enjoy this video as we are just really just sightseeing. Tree.
The gingerbread house and the massive gingerbread house.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go over there. Oh my God, they have an entire store inside the gingerbread man house. So this is still part of the Grand Floridian. They've got the pool, some games out here, Grand Floridian. And then right beside that is going to be the wedding pavilion, which if you, oh, you can't see, hang on. If you see this little glass door right there, you can see out to the castle. From where we're standing, you can't see it. But when we were on the bungalows, you're able to see the castle as well.
If you want to have an amazing view for your wedding, just rent out that little wedding pavilion. It's gonna be a pretty penny. But
Pretty penny, real clean.
it's gonna be nice. You guys, so we just finished the Monorail Tour. We said, if you don't have a park day and you're just bored or have nothing else to do, just
If you want to explore,
yeah,
I mean,
get on the monorail and just free transportation and just hop over from hotel to hotel. And the hotels are amazing. Every little hotel has its own little world.
yes, and you can go and check out different models and check out different foods at different resorts. So keep exploring so you can see that there's always something to do and there's always something new at Disney.
You will never run out of things to do in Disney.
Nope.
So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.